It's a bright spot on the moon. And we would like to call it Carol.
जब भी मैं स्पेस के बारे में सोचती हूँ, do you know what I think about? Love. Hi and welcome to Storytime with Malika. Here we have real stories, real lessons, real feelings. Bit chaotic, but definitely something to learn from. So you know what? Let me tell you a story. Millions of kilometers away from Earth, floating in silence, surrounded by nothingness, something deeply human happened. When I say space, आपके दिमाग में क्या आता है? Rockets, science, distance, galaxy maybe? But recently something beautiful happened in space, miles away. And ever since that, जब भी मैं space के बारे में सोचती हूँ, do you know what I think about? Love. So, story time. अभी हाल ही में नासा का Artemis 2 मिशन चल रहा है, जहाँ पे there are 4 astronauts who are doing a lunar flyby, which is basically them going from Earth towards moon, circling the moon and coming back. Now this is history in the making, and you'll ask me why. Let me enlighten you. So this is the first time in 50 years कि humans are flying to moon. Now this is a 10-day trip. So they're going to circle the moon and come back. The aim of NASA in doing this is they want to make sure कि humans moon पे land कर सके as early as 2028. And eventually they want to set up a base there. Now what makes it all the more monumental is this is the farthest कि कोई भी humans गया है. So 1970 में Apollo 13 had flown to moon and they had covered a distance of somewhere around 250,000 miles. Artemis 2 is covering around 260,000 miles. But the most dehla dene wali baat you can say is that they are traveling to the farthest side of the moon. Because Apollo 13 ने इतना travel नहीं किया था, these 4 astronauts are the only ones, only humans who've traveled and who've gone to this side of the moon. Now you'll ask me far side of the moon क्या है? Let me show you. Consider this as moon and this as earth. So earth and moon, when they revolve around each other, they revolve at the same speed. And because of that, because ये same speed में हो रहा है, there is one side of the moon जो हम humans को earth से कभी नहीं दिखता है. The back side. That is the far side of the moon. Now, since Apollo 13, like I said कि उन्होंने इतना travel नहीं किया था, these are the only humans जिन्होंने इस side of the moon देखा है. And that was what this journey was all about, this 10-day trip. Fascinating, right? Okay, so coming back to the story. While these astronauts were traveling in space with no noise, with no chaos, all they were doing is circling the moon and checking the lunar features. And while they were doing that, they spotted something magnificent. They saw a bright spot on the moon. Now you would say कि it's just a spot, I mean it's just a crater. But what happened next turned this to something much more than that. It created history. It literally made moon into the symbol of love. And when the astronauts saw this bright spot on the moon, this is what they said.
It's a bright spot on the moon. And we would like to call it Carol. And you spell that C-A-R-R-O-L-L.
Now you would ask me कि मलिका ये कैरल कौन है? So
A number of years ago, we started this journey in our close-knit astronaut family, and we lost a loved one. Her name was Carol, the spouse of Reed, the mother of Katie and Ellie.
and just like that, space did not feel distant anymore. You know, this makes you realize कि हम as humans, I mean, all of us are so basic humans, and the only thing that we try to do is we try to hold on to the people that we truly love. हम सब करते हैं, you know, we all try to preserve memories. बुक में नाम लिख लो, फोटोज़ लगा लो घर में, उनकी गिफ्ट्स होती है उन्हें सेव कर लो. Any memory, every memory, preserve it. Maybe get their name tattooed. Well, in this case, somebody literally left a piece of their heart on moon. Now, don't get me wrong. It's not like that they can name this as Carol. You know, they need approvals, they need permissions. But you feel like कुछ चीज़ों में इन सब चीज़ों की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. You know, even if the name doesn't get approved, Carol and her husband's love is always going to be a part of the story for eternity. And those remaining 3 astronauts made sure of that. You know, the funniest thing about love is love doesn't understand distance, doesn't care about time. Strangely enough, death also does not end it. This entire incident made me realize something. You know, love is not about having someone. Love is about not knowing what to do when they are gone. Love definitely doesn't need a place to exist, you know, हमारी life में, but we still do it. We give it a name, we give it a place, or we give it a memory, and this was exactly that. Maybe that's what love is, you know, not just being with someone and finding ways to keep them. So yeah, that was my story. The story of I love you to the moon and never back. Makes me wonder, have you ever felt something like that for someone?